What is going on, people? Welcome to the channel. It's your boy Biggs, AFB&B Media, a few bits and bobs and a few pieces. Today we're talking about a brand called Dickies. This is a well-known brand. They've been around since the 1920s, coming from Texas. This is going to be a close-up, detailed review. If you haven't already, hit that like, hit that subscribe so you can get these videos first. Lets me know that you're liking the vids and I'll make many more. Let's get it lit. So boom. Let's start this. This is a wide leg, loose fit, very 10 out of 10 on comfortability. Durability also 10/10. The durability, this is a twill fabric. As you can see, the tapered leg. We got the double seam at the bottom. These are wide fit on the shoe, so they come out to about half of my shoe. I'm like a size 8 to 9 depending on the shoe. I'm a 32 in these work trousers as well. As you can see, we got the small details but very effective details on the front of the leg. These trousers cost me £55. I bought these from a place called Route 1 online. The links will be down in the description. There's a few hidden pockets on these trousers as well. You got pockets on the back area. You've got pockets on the 2 pockets on either side. You got 2 pockets on either side of the hip area also. And these are flat front. So the front is flat. They're like a cargo type pants, and then obviously we got the signature tunnel hole belt loops that go around. Like I said, these are very comfortable, very loose fitting. Because they're workwear, obviously, you know what I'm saying, they're gonna be extra. They're gonna fit well. They're workwear, they're gonna fit well. Classical zip fly, then we have the clip waistline. I like the details on these, man. Very comfortable, very nicely put together, very simple but also very effective. They work, it makes sense. Definitely a cop from me. We got the Dickies emblem on the knee area with the orange, classical with the blue, with the white. Can't go wrong. Cannot go wrong. I definitely give these a thumbs up. If you're feeling these as well, hit this video with a thumbs up. Got a little hidden pocket, like I said, on the back area of the Dickies emblem with the embroidery badge. They're nice, man. Nice and clean. Classical black. They did have a few other colors as well on the website, on Route 1's website. They got a few other colors. I think they got green, they got blue, all types of different colors. I kept it nice and classical with the black. Works for me. If you want to see pictures of me rocking these as well, hit up the Instagram, as you can see on the right hand side or left hand side, wherever it is. It's your boy Biggs on the Instagram. Go check out the pictures. The pictures are lit. Hit that with a like, hit that with a follow also. So yeah, that is the workwear trouser by Dickies. The front leg. That's that. It's a wrap. Peace.
Paving this shit crank.